Our guest of honor this evening is a man that needs no introduction. Earlier today, he made a guest appearance over at the Suigahula for the Youth Day. And we were talking about how, at that point in time, it was kind of a lull because it had been a long day for everybody that was there. But as soon as they saw the shining spot, you know, it could have been the moon shining during the day, but it was actually Tofenga's head. During that hot sun, everybody started clapping and cheering. But this man was born and raised in Wellington, New Zealand. He grew up there and is a member of the FACASA in Wellington and is an active member. And I know he's a dear friend to some of our board members, but particularly Reverend Yasepi and Leonin. And that is the connection where we've been able to bring Tofenga here to help raise money for Special Olympics. So we're very indebted. He is a very busy man, as you may all know and you can all appreciate. And we're very thankful that he took the time out of his schedule to come here. So ladies and gentlemen, please, let's all welcome Mr. Tofenga Fekuleai.
Land of the free. First of all, I just want to say it's a real honor and privilege just to be here tonight to entertain and also just mix and mingle with all of you here tonight. It's nice to come on island with my family, my wife and children. We've got 3 young boys, and but they're at the hotel. My boys are a handful for those who know my kids. I've got an 8-year-old, 4, and 3-year-old. They're all boys. And just coming here to Unruly Samoa reminds me of myself when I was a little kid. And I just give you a little bit of background about myself. My parents, both from Samoa. My dad is from the villages of Fusi, Safupulafai, and Saleola. And that's where our Fekuleai comes from Saleola. Mum comes from the villages of Papsakaua, Samonge, Falealupo, and Nupolu Fescauka. So, and we're the Leopepe family and the Leopepe Fakoko family in Fescauka. And the reason why I give you a bit of background is because I was raised Samoan, but in New Zealand. I was born in New Zealand. And I remember one day when, as I was growing up, because my mom comes from a large family, my dad comes from a large family, like most Samoan families, and I'm the only child. I'm an only child, and it's not very common in our Samoan families. We all know that. And I remember I was only just studying intermediate. I was around 11, 12 years old, and I said to my mom's name's Malai, and I said to my Mom, why did you choose just to have one child when you come from a family of heaps? Huh? Because you know, when you're an only child, you tend to sit down and then you say, how are you? And then you say, oh, I'm good, thank you. You start talking to yourself and but it's lucky I had an extended family. But I remember I said to my mom, I said, Mom, especially when you come from big families. Then my mom looked at me and said, Tofenga! Mofomela! Shake hand. The reason why I only have one children, Faroma. The reason why I only have one children. And I thought, oh, it's going to be a nice heart-to-heart with my mom. She's going to say something meaningful that's going to inspire me to be a great man. My mom said to me, Tofenga, the reason why I only have one children is because, look at you. Look at you, son. How can I have more children when you eat more than 6 children?